Hey guys, welcome back to HungryForever's kitchen. Today we're going to teach you how to whip up a delicious healthy smoothie in no time. Smoothies are a great way to switch up your breakfast routine or treat yourself to a fun little guilt-free afternoon snack. The smoothie we're making today is called POPEYE'S Pint. To make this delicious drink, you're going to need a handful of spinach, 1 kiwi, 1 banana, some ginger, 1 cup pineapple, 1.5 cups of coconut water, and some ice. Loaded with antioxidants and fiber, this smoothie helps speed up your metabolism while providing you with enough energy to tide you over until your next meal. Add the ingredients into your mixie one by one, starting with the spinach, followed by the garlic, bananas, kiwi, pineapple, and finally the coconut water. Blend the ingredients together until smooth. Don't forget the ice. Your delicious smoothie is now ready. Enjoy! If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more.